I'm getting very late, okay?
कभी वक्त मिले तो मिलके जाना बेटा।
Yeah.
मैंने एक कमरे के मकान में 4 बच्चों को पाला और आज उनके 4 मकानों में बाप के लिए एक कमरा नहीं।
There are 100 million senior citizens in India already, and by the year 2050 there will be 324 million senior citizens in India. That is 1 out of 5 will be 60 plus.
In the subject of aging or the subject of older people, it is not just about poverty, but we need to be very sensitive about other psychosocial problems such as loneliness, elder abuse, not having facilities adequate to their station in life, their stage of life. So older people therefore generally have a very tough time to negotiate life.
They're also very insecure about, becoming immobile or becoming dependent on somebody else. Nowadays, they are very insecure about their safety because every day they are reading in the papers about some senior citizen getting attacked or murdered or robbed. Actually, when we say that dignity works for senior citizens, the first thought that people get is that we run an old age home for the destitute. And then we have to explain to them that, the challenges of senior citizens is not restricted to any single economic strata. This afflicts anybody and everybody, whether they are rich or poor. Dr. Sheelu Srinivasan actually started Dignity Foundation because when people needed help, they had some place to come to and get advice or get counsel.
दस से बहुत तकलीफ हुई काम करने में। तो वो चैरिटी का पैसा मिलता था नहीं तो घर तो चलता था अच्छी रीत से। छोकरा ऑफ हो गया तो मेरे को तो बहुत अभी याद आता है। मैं घर के बाहर खास नहीं जाती, खाली शुक्रवार को मैं कांग्रेस हाउस चंदन बेचने को जाती हूँ बस। महीने का 300 रुपया मिलता है और वो हम लोग क्या खाते हैं गरीब आदमी, एक दिन दाल एक दिन मसूर, थोड़ा थोड़ा करके संभाल के खाती हूँ। समझिए, फायदे तो बहुत हुआ, किधर भी अन्न मिले तो फायदे तो होता जाए ना।
We run these centers which are meant for loneliness mitigation, which we call Chai Masti centers. Actually, every day about 40-50 senior citizens come to each of our Chai Masti center and engage in very meaningful activities, which could range from yoga, tai chi to aerobics, music, dance, competitions, fancy dress competitions. Senior citizens really enjoy the time that they spend at the Chai Masti center. They form bonds with other senior citizens that they meet over there, and it takes care of both their self-esteem and also their loneliness. Care.
Independence. Establishing relationship.
Power.
Courage.
Freedom.
Faith. Courage.